Hello and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be DIYing this eye-shaped mirror which you might have seen on the internet. So this mirror is available on a lot of sites like Amazon, Flipkart, but the price is on the little higher side. So I decided to try my hands on it and I'm really happy that how this mirror has turned out, and I'm really excited to share this project with you guys. And before I forget, if you like this video, please put a thumbs up and do consider subscribing for more videos like this. Now without any further ado, let's get started. I'm starting with this embroidery hoop and I'm going to cut this in 2 equal halves with the help of a cutter. So now I've got 2 equal halves of my embroidery hoops. Now my aim is to arrange this mirror inside these hoops in some way so that it looks like an eye. So now I've arranged the hoops, and once I'm satisfied with the arrangement, I marked it and I'm going to cut it with that point. Now I'm going to attach these hoops to the mirror with the help of this air dry clay, but before this I'm touching the mirror with hot glue so that it remains stuck to the hoop. Now the next step is to take the skewer sticks and cut it into pieces to make the eyelashes. got a macrame thread crocheted in this design and I'm going to glue it around the mirror. Instead of this, you can take any thread or a rope you want. And here it is. It is quite a quirky little project which you can easily make. Again, if you want to see more DIYs that you can do with mirror or ways of using embroidery hoops and bamboo sticks, then you can check out my videos by click on that top I button. But for now, let me know if you like my efforts, and if you did, then please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for your time and support. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and stay safe.